Hello, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about what R value can be achieved on a bare metal roof. Really, any R value can be achieved. It just depends on how much insulating products you're going to put on top of there. So some people might say, oh, I want to put an R70, I want to put an R65. That's 10 inches of spray foam on there, and it's just not going to be worth it cost-effective wise to you. Usually anything above a R25, R30, you're kind of getting into diminished returns. It just, the offset of energy savings isn't gonna, offset what you paid in the materials to put that on there. So R25 is kind of a sweet spot. Anything above that's kind of diminished return. But we got a couple other questions related to spray foam and metal roofing and R value that we'll get to right now. So the first thing is, how much does spray foam over a metal roof cost per square foot? Ballpark is $5 to $10 per square foot, and there's many variables to that, but we'll go over the top four real quick. First thing is R value. Do you want 2 inches of foam, which will give you an R13, or do you want 4 inches of foam, which will give you an R26? More foam is more R value, costs a lot more. Second thing is the length of warranty. The warranty on a spray foam roof is related to the thickness of the coating that gets installed over that. So if you want a 10-year warranty, that's 20 mils of coating. If you want a 20-year warranty, that's 30 mils of coating. Double the length of the warranty, but more coating, more cost. Next thing is the size of the roof. Now, if you have a 10,000 square foot roof and a 100,000 square foot metal roof, it's cheaper per square foot to do the larger roof just because of economies of scale. So that has a lot to do with safety setup, and just being there and being efficient with time is a big deal with cost. And the last thing is contractor location. We would love to have a contractor right down the road from us. That way there's no gas, there's no labor hours driving to your building. Hotel stays, flights, and those all get added to a project's cost. But don't ever pick somebody just because they're right down the road from you. The quality and the professionalism of the install should be the most important thing when you're picking a roofing project. So the next thing is, what's the scope of work when foam is installed over an existing metal roof? Clean the roof with power washing, get rid of all the loose debris. If desired, remove unused rooftop equipment such as skylights. We put plywood over those, or just new metal panels in general. Get those off the roof. It's kind of a safety hazard, but while we're up there, we can remove those if that's desired. Next thing is install perimeter edge metal, drains, downspouts, gutters if those are desired or needed, and then spray the actual foam, usually 1 to 2 inches in thickness, and do 2 coats of coating over top of that. Embed granules into the top coat of the coating, and then do the final touch-ups and issue the warranty. Warranties come between 10 and 20 years usually, but it's all depending on the coating thickness over top. How long does a spray foam roof last? It'll last as long as the building's around. Spray foam roofing systems are renewable, and what I mean by renewable is once you put the original spray foam down, it never loses performance, doesn't lose any waterproofing capabilities. It's all depending on the thickness of the coating over top of it. So let's go for a simple example, the 10-year warranty, which gets to a 20 mil thickness of coating over top of that. The coating is meant to be sacrificial, so over those 10 years, the 20 mils will wear down. It'll never go down to 0 and expose the foam. But once that 10 years is up, all you have to do is power wash the roof clean, put some more coating over top of that, and you get a brand new warranty. And the process just repeats over and over and over again. And like I said, the initial application of foam doesn't lose any performance at all. Another popular question is, can I just install a roof coating system over top of it instead? Sometimes you can. There's some strict eligibility issues for coating over metal roofs, which you can learn more in the blog post that's on the link below. But the start of this video is about R value, and coatings have no R value at all. They'll make your metal roof be more reflective, add some reflectivity, but just according to technical data sheets, they have no R value at all. That's it for today. Hope you took away at least one thing new. If you want to learn more, please read the article. There's a link to it in the description. But thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.